How to download Luma AI app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then on the search bar, you just have to simply search for Luma AI app. So let's search for it by typing it. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to see different options of Luma AI. This is the official website. Now to download that, what you can simply do is tap on Luma AI download. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to see different downloading options. So you can download it via Google Play as well, which is mentioned as Luma AI 3D Capture. Next, how you can download it is also you can go to the Luma AI APK, as it has given APK versions for your Android devices as well. So just go to that and you can see the option of download. Tap on it and you'll be able to download the Luma AI app on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.